Hello Math 1 and Math 2 prep students. This is the second period video lesson. Actually, you're not going to open up anything except for this exact same worksheet. And you're going to turn this worksheet in. So I'm going to do the first couple of problems for you just to show you how it's done. And this is called evaluating. So we did order of operations last week. So you know, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. If you got to write that up at the top. To remember the order of operations, do that. Doesn't bother me at all. Okay? So now what we're doing is we have work, but we have variables. But then the variables are assigned a number value. And so we're going to plug those in. We're going to substitute those numbers into the problem and work it out. Okay? So let's make this a little bigger. We have x equals 1 and y equals 6. So we're going to put in parentheses 6 squared minus parentheses 1. Now all I have to do, okay, is realize a few things. I know I'm taking extra steps, but there's no work, so the parentheses can drop. But this is an exponent. So 6 squared, remember 6 squared is 6 times 6. And that's 36. So we have 36 minus 1, and that's 35. Okay? Not too hard. And I made these kind of simple. They may be a little bit confusing at times. Number 2, x is 6, y is 4. So x is 6, y is 4. I can do this work because those 4s are by themselves. So I have 6, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So when we have parentheses side by side with parentheses, that means multiplication. So 6 times 8 is 48. Now those are the first two problems of 10 that I want you to do. And if you notice, I have the answer key down here. Number 1 is 35. Number 2 is 48. So all you're doing is substituting the numbers in. All right. If you get the wrong answer, the first thing I would do is come check to make sure that you substituted them into the right spots. The x goes into the x spot, obviously the y and the y, and the z goes into the z spot. But there's many times students will substitute into the wrong area. Okay. So that's it for this. So in the second block of the prep class, all you're doing is open up this video. It's only a few minutes long. You're watching this, and then you're working this out, and you're submitting this. If you have any questions, I'll be on the live Zoom. You can pop in and ask, all right? Have a great